groundwater is not affected simply because if your digester is only 2 feet and we are going to bury, let's say 2.5 feet, and this is the one that's going to show at the end, 2.5 feet will not affect groundwater, right? Because groundwater, you are thinking about, let's say, the borehole. The borehole, if you do a normal manual digging, borehole, you are looking at least 20 feet, sometimes 50 feet, sometimes more than enough feet before you can see the water that you need. If you are doing a mechanized borehole, you're looking at 200 feet all the way down. So that's why we say when you do a digester, groundwater is not affected. It's the main reason why they also work in waterlogged areas. This is the main reason, because you are not going to go deep. As far as you were able to build your house in that waterlogged area, a digester can also go there. Because the foundation that you dig, and then you did all those works, and then you build your house in that waterlogged area, and there's no way that digester is going to go to the level. Because the digester will only be picking the level from the pipes, the inlet pipes that are coming from the house, so that it can go inside. So the digester will not go anything no more than 4 feet. That's why we say they do work in waterlogged areas. So that's one of the reasons why. So groundwater is not affected. People have to soak whole pit, which is the first option for the biodigester. Most of the traditional biodigesters that we did, the understanding was simply because homeowners or low-income houses are having manholes and these traditional unhygienic toilets that you see the flies and everything are all over it, and the biodigester scale. So the initial idea was that let's do soak away, cost effective, use locally sourced materials. Let's do soak away just for the digester to wet. And then you can maximize the use of the amount of water in the house that you need to flush, because then you don't need too much water in the digester, which is an advantage. But we have to always let the water out of the digester into the soak hole pit. And then we can take any stones in the area and then we can use them to fill it. And then we can put the fine coarse sand on top here. And then we can cover it. And then you can go ahead use it. The water will just sit through here and then come here. And then we have the digester and then they're good to go.